In this video, we are going to look at economic goods and free goods. An economic good is a good or service that is useful to people, but it is also scarce. We need to make a conscious effort to obtain them. So the key features of an economic good are: number one, it is useful, and number two, it is also scarce. So it has to have both of these features. So economic goods are valued and traded not only because it is useful, but also it is scarce. It is this scarcity that creates value where people become willing to pay for. However, if a good does not have an economic value or it is in abundance, then that is considered to be non-economic good or free good. So free goods cannot be priced and traded because people would find it either useless or it is in so much abundance that there is no need for conscious effort to obtain them. We will now look at an example. Take a village that has a river flowing and drinking water for them is abundant, and the water renews itself and all their water needs are fulfilled. Hence, water is a free good or non-economic good for these villagers. Now, a beverage company has started and using the river water to produce soft drinks. There is a cost to produce the soft drinks, and the company has to involve different factors of production to produce them. Hence, the soft drink is an economic good. With time, if the river water is polluted and the water is not drinkable anymore, and if the company processes the polluted river water to a drinkable one, then the same water becomes an economic good. The reason for water to become an economic good was it is scarce now, and there is a cost to process the unclean water to make it drinkable. Here we have seen how a free good becomes an economic good with time. The most important question here is, when is a free good not a free good? One important distinction is that just because a good is given away for free, it doesn't necessarily mean it is a free good. If a McDonald's is giving away a free toy in Happy Meal, it is not actually free because it requires time to make the toy from the raw materials. This means there is an economic cost. If the company wasn't giving away free toys, it could reduce the price of the Happy Meal. So I would always like to use the term non-economic goods over free goods for this specific reason and not to make any confusion. You can use any term which is comfortable to you. With this, we conclude 1.3 in our syllabus. It's 9:30.